Hello guys, my name is Akhil. I am studying in 9th class Kendra Vidyalaya.
Hello guys, my name is Akshit. I am studying Kendra Vidyalan 6th class.
Our project is about
Health Protector Automatic Stirrer Curry Machine.
every Indian makes varieties curries in their kitchen. In a large city, because of less place, various kitchen tasks performed. In preparation of rotis, women are developing MSD, muscle skeleton pains. They are having joint pains also because of physical movements which are common and repetitive. They do same work several times, which causes MSD. Women are working more than 3 hours in kitchen, so they have shoulder pains and back pains because of continuous stirring. This is a reason for developing orthopedic problems. So here we are with kitchen solution. Automatic stirrer and curry maker. Drum stir machine. This machine reduces musculoskeletal pains and also reduced preparation time. It is a kitchen gadget, stirs food in the pan. It helps you in the kitchen.
You can make curries in drum stir machine. We can make food like rice, fries, soups, curries. Drum rotates and stirs.
If you make anything that requires continuous stirring, this machine is a best solution. Our aim is to reduce health issues in kitchen.